Article practice. A or an. A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. Dash cat. A cat. Dash island. An island. A horse. An hour. A boy. A bus. An orange. A pencil. A jacket. An elephant. A river. An ostrich. A BSc. An FRCS. An honest man.